everyone, this is Kalpana here. In this video, we're going to see a problem from limits using factorization method. So let's get going. Problem: find limit of this expression as x tends to 1. Let's use direct substitution method and see what we are going to get. So if we substitute x equal to 1 in the given expression, that is 1 by x square plus x minus 2 by minus x by x cube minus 1, we'll get 1 by 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 1 cube minus 1, which gives us 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 1 by 1 minus 1, sorry, minus, right, equal to 1 by 2 minus 2. Since 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 by 0 is infinity, which is undefined, right? 1 by 0 is undefined, right? So we got an indeterminate form, infinity minus infinity. So what we are going to do is, if we can reduce this indeterminate form to 0 by 0, and there is a possibility of solving the problem using factorization method. Let's see. Since x equal to 1, the expression 1 by x square plus x minus 2 minus x by x cube minus 1 gives results to infinity minus infinity form, which is an indeterminate form, right? So now limit x tends to 1, 1 by x square plus x minus 2 minus x by x cube minus 1. Let's take the LCM. Let's find factors if possible and take LCM. So you're having x square plus x minus 2 in the denominator of first term, right? We can split this x as plus 2x minus x. See, plus 2 into minus 1 gives minus 2, plus 2 minus 1 gives plus 1, right? So take x common, you'll get x times x plus 2, minus common from the next two terms, you'll get minus 1 times x plus 2. Here x plus 2 is a common factor into x minus 1, right? You got x plus 2 into x minus 1 minus x by, here this looks like, you can write this 1 as 1 cube, right? And also you have a formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a plus a square plus ab plus b square. So from this you will get x cube minus 1 cube equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1x plus 1 square, which is 1, right? Again we'll change, now we'll change the denominator of second term also, which is x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now take the LCM of the two denominators. You'll get x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1, right? So in the denominator first term you're having these two. So multiply this term to this 1, you'll get x square plus x plus 1 minus, here you are having x minus 1 and x square minus plus x plus 1. So multiply this x plus 2 to this numerator, you'll get x times x plus 2. If you want, I'll show you the LCM of these two terms, okay? I'll get the same thing, x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. Now simplify this. Limit x tends to 1, x square plus x plus 1 minus x into x square minus into plus minus x into 2x by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. Here x square and minus x square gets cancelled, right? And if you substitute x equal to 1, see, if you substitute x equal to 1, you'll get 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So you'll get 2 minus 2. Right? Numerator becomes 0. Likewise, here you're having x minus 1, right? If you put x equal to 1, you'll get 1 minus 1, which is 0. Numerator becomes 0 and denominator becomes 0. So we have reduced to 0 by 0 form. Okay? Here also, if you substitute x equal to 1, you'll get 1 square 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 minus 1 into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 minus 3 gives 0. Here you're having x minus 1. If you substitute 1, you'll get numerator becomes 0 and the denominator becomes 0, right? So here itself we have reduced to 0 by 0 form. Fine. Let's go further. You'll get 1. X minus 2x gives minus x by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Still it is in 0 by 0 form. We have to vanish the terms that makes the expression to 0 by 0 form, right? These two are the terms which is making the total expression to 0 by 0 form. So what we are going to do is we'll just cancel out the common terms from the numerator and the denominator. Here you're having x minus 1, but here you're having 1 minus x. Let's write it as minus of x minus 1. See, minus of x minus 1 is minus x, minus into minus plus 1, which is 1 minus x, right? You can write this 1 minus x as minus of x minus 1. This is also in 0 by 0 form. We'll cancel the common factors. Then the reduced expression is minus 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1, right? Now try direct substitution method. Just substitute x equal to 1 in this expression. You'll get minus 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, which gives us minus 1 by 3 into 3, which is minus 1 by 9, right? So yeah, now you can use direct substitution method. Just apply direct substitution method. You'll get 1 plus 2 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1, which gives us minus 1 by 3 into 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Or you can write one more step, there is nothing wrong in it, just 1 by 9. So therefore limit of this expression as x tends to 1 is minus 1 by 9. Okay, this completes the problem. Well, we have seen a problem from limits in this video. I hope you'll understand. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.